Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can remove watermark from any video. So it will be watermark or a logo if it's there on the video. It's very easy to remove it, and this method is absolutely free. You don't have to pay a single penny. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So I will play the video with the watermark on it.
Here are the 5 iconic sports racing cars that have made a significant impact in motorsports history. Ferrari 250 GTO.
So as you can see, I have made this video with Flicky AI, and there is a Flicky watermark over here that we need to remove. So I will go ahead and close this video. Now what you have to do is you need to visit a website, onlinevideocutter.com slash remove logo. I will leave a link in the description for this website. You can simply click on the link and go there and remove the watermark. So you have to go over here and click on open file, and on the desktop I will select the video which is having the watermark. As you can see over here, the Flicky AI watermark has came. Now all you have to do is you have to select this area where you want to remove the watermark and press on play.
Here are the 5 iconic sports racing cars that have made a significant impact in motorsports history.
Play it for like 5 seconds and then simply click on save. So it will upload the video and it will then encode it. It is usually quick. If the video is large, it might take some time. If not, then it is usually done very quickly. For some reason, the uploading is very slow for now. I don't know why, but usually it happens in like 1 or 2 seconds. I will close and try again. It's still taking some time. I don't know. But once this uploading and encoding is finished, then you get the option to save. And I will show you the video without the watermark, and then we will come back over here again. So this is the video without the watermark using that website which I've just used.
Here are the 5 iconic sports racing cars that have made a significant impact in motorsports history. Ferrari 250 GTO, produced in the early 1960s.
So as you can see, there is no watermark over here. So I have removed it using that website. So I will go ahead and close this and just check whether the website has finished doing its work. So it's still at 92%. And this is how you can actually go ahead and like remove the logo. We'll wait for it to be finished because it's almost finished now. As you can see, you get the option to save over here. You can, if you click on it, can it simply gets saved to your desktop or laptop. So it is this simple to remove logo. And still, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.